Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download multiply photos from Google Photos. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on the phone and then on computer. And on the computer we have one more option than on the phone. Okay, so on the phone you need to open Google Photos. Then you need to select multiply photos what you wanna save. I recommend to click at the three dots at the right top. Firstly, stack similar photos, so click on it, you should see the check mark, so like this. And then set layout to the months if you want to, let's say, save all of them. On the phone we have no button. On computer also, but on computer we have another way. So we have no button to select all of these photos. And if you want to select all of them, you need to just select by months. And like this, you just scroll down and you save it. Okay, now let's say you select all of them. After that, at the bottom you need to scroll down. If you have iOS, so on your iPhone, you will have the button Save to Device, and you click at this button. And if you have Android, you will have Download button, not Save to this device. You click on it also, and also you need to wait a bit. Maybe I will speed up it for you. And now, as you can see, we save it. So let's move to the gallery, and as you can see, I have all of these photos. So this one is your option on the phone. Now let's move to the PC. So on PC, as I said, we have few options. Firstly, let's open my browser. Then we need to write Google Photos. Then you should sign in into your account, so I'm not going to use this one, and I will add my another account. Okay, so we finally sign in into our account. And the first option is to select them. So you can click at the first photo what you wanna save, then click at the shift and then select at the second photo. The latest photo, I mean. After that, click at the three dots and click download. And we will have zip file with the photos, so we need to wait a bit. And now, as you can see, we have it. You just enter here, and right here we have these photos. So this one is your first option. Just save it, the best place for you. The second option, this one is the best one when you wanna save all photos or just a lot of your photos. So we can use Google Takeout service. You need to also sign in into your account. So, as I said, I want to use my another account, this one. Now we use this one, amazing. Firstly, click deselect all, because we need to save it only from Google Photos, not from another Google services. Then, after you deselect all, you need to scroll down. And you need to find Google Photos. And right here we have them. Click on it. Now, click at the all photos albums included. So right here, right now, it will save all my photos. If you don't need all of them, just click deselect all and then click let's say on the photos from 2021. And then click OK. If you want to save all of them, you don't need to change here nothing. Okay, and now we have only one album. So scroll down, next step, send, download the link. Then I'm going to use zip file. Right here you need to sell, it depends. If you have to save all your library, you need to just move to the bottom and select the hugest size. But if you want to, let's say 2 gigabytes, it will send you a few files with 2 gigabytes, so it may be 10. Right now, for me, it's okay, but if I, let's say, save all of these photos, 10 gigabytes is my choice. Okay, after you select file size, click Create Export, and now we need to log in into the Gmail. And again, we need to change account. So we need to wait for the mail. And right here we have it. Click on it and then download it. And the second one, but I'm not sure that we have something good in the second file. Yeah, we have nothing interesting here. So this my photos. Need to sign in. Then I recommend to sort it by size. And right here we have a JSON. We don't need it. I mean, I don't need it. Maybe you need to. So now we can save it on some space. Let's say here we can create a new folder, call it test, and save it here. So now let's check if we have it. Download, test, and we have this picture here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!